Hi everyone. Today I have another journal to share with you. Now this one's a Christmas themed one and it's something that I've always wanted to do but I've never got around to it. So here it is. It's all finished and I think it turned out okay. It measures 7.5 by 5.25 inches or 19 by 13 centimetres. So it has 3 signatures and they've been sewn in by a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. And the cover is made from cardboard and I used seam binding for the closure and then I added a little bit on the spine. Okay, so on the cover I've just chosen my image. Then I used a couple of different die cuts which I have gone around the edges with some Tim Holtz vintage photo. And there's another die cut here and here, and this was another die cut too, the flower. And then I used to use a punch that I had to go around the edges of the image on the front there. And just added a little bit of fibres at the bottom here. And then in the back, just some pretty paper. Okay, so inside, now nearly all the pages in here are from a digital download that I purchased from Screech Owl Studio. And I think the kit was called Let It Snow. Some of the other embellishments are from Pinterest. So that's the first page. Now this wasn't actually on the Digi kit that I downloaded. I've just added that myself. It's a little Christmas prayer. Here I've just made a little pocket and a little booklet. Some images that I've actually sewn in. There's in there. The next page. Oh, I will mention that I've used those scissors on the edges here again, but I didn't use as dark a distress ink. I think I used, what's it called? Antique linen, that's it. Okay, so the next page I have got a vellum side pocket and just a journaling card. And a side pocket here and just some little booklets. And this is the middle of the first signature and just a couple of diagonal pockets again. And they just have more journaling cards. Same on that side. Another side pocket made from vellum. And that's just a little journal that I've stitched in. And another page where I've just glued a little verse on there. Some tags. They're all the same, they're just different sizes. Another diagonal pocket, and that's just a writing sheet. That's the end of the first signature, second signature, some space for journaling. And here I've just got one of those little vellum envelopes that I've made. And inside I've just got some more tags. And another little, this one's made out of glassine. It's a large tag. Another flip-up pocket. Another little booklet. A visit from St. Nicholas. There's a little story in there. That's the back page. Another diagonal pocket and a couple of envelopes. And there's a double sort of pocket, I guess, and I've just filled those with a couple of envelopes, and the same up the top. And that's the middle of that signature. Okay, so the next page is another little booklet. There's some stamping. Side pocket, an envelope, another little vellum envelope, and inside just some little tags, gift tags. That way. Another page for writing. That's the end of the second signature. This is the third one. Two more pockets. Some little journaling cards. And here we have a side pocket and another journal that I've stitched in. More pages from the kit, and this side pocket has a glassine bag with the rules for Christmas shopping. And inside I think I've just put a few just journaling cards. And this is the middle of the third signature, and it has some, like a side pocket, I guess you'd call it, and they just have a large envelope on each side. And the same on that one. Another diagonal pocket with another little small journal. Well, not small, but another journal. Okay, so this one has another glassine pocket and some order forms for your Christmas orders. And then this page has another glassine envelope that flips out. Then inside here I've just made a book of Christmas carols, which has been, I've sewn this one as well, and it's just got some Christmas carols in here. And that's the last page. So there it is. So that's the last of the journals I've been working on. I've started making some Christmas decorations, and I will show you those when I finish them. But like I said, I've never made one of those before, and that made a nice change. So there it is. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.